I just received a 1,000 pack of Prestige wooden stir sticks, and check it out. These are great for both hot as well as cold beverages, and these are really great because they're disposable too. Much better than using utensils or plasticware as well. You can just throw these away and they're very cost effective. And they work so perfectly too. Perfect for parties, at the office, or even to use at home. So let's sweeten up my coffee and use the stir stick. Perfect! Gets the job done. I received this from Prestige for evaluation purposes and I really like it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.